Okay, kids, today's demonstration is how to sync audio and video in OBS quickly, easily, without doing calculus. Step 1, clap your hands. Now that you've recorded the clap, import that video into OpenShot, place it in your timeline, and find the clap. I'm going to zoom in a little bit to make it easy to maneuver. We want to get it right on the clap. I would say it's right about there. I'm going to place a marker here. Next, right-click on the timeline, display, show waveform, zoom out till you can see it. That's going to be our clap. You can play it if you want, but I'm pretty certain that's it. Put another marker there, just in case. And then we go snip and snip and delete, which you really don't need to do, but I did. And if you go over to here and look at the duration, that will be the amount of lag, which is 3.67 seconds or 3,670 milliseconds. So we go over to OBS, go to our source, advanced audio, 3670. Now we're back, and in theory, the audio should be synced. That's all there is to it.